Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa mexicana. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need 4 ripe Roma tomatoes, 1/2 of a medium white onion, and 2 serrano peppers for a mild to medium heat. Also, have a small bunch of fresh cilantro, about 1/4 cup chopped, and the juice of 1 lime ready. Don't forget salt to taste. Next, it's time to prepare your vegetables. Finely dice the Roma tomatoes into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 of an inch. Mince the white onion very finely to ensure it blends well. For the serrano peppers, remove the stems and finely chop them. You can remove the seeds for less heat. Chop the fresh cilantro. Now let's bring it all together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your diced tomatoes, minced onion, chopped serrano peppers, and fresh cilantro. Squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lime. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to start, then mix everything gently. Taste and adjust the salt or lime juice as needed for perfect balance. Your delicious salsa mexicana is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, or use it as a vibrant topping for tacos, quesadillas, or grilled meats. For best flavor, consume within 24 hours. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.